Hey there, it's Stephanie Janiga here with Janiga Group Home Sales. So today I wanted to come to you with a couple quick tips so that you can make a small space feel larger. So first thing I want to talk about is paint colors. Obviously dark colors will make a small space feel extra small. So go ahead and use light neutral paint colors to make the space seem larger. Second tip I have for you is lighting. So you don't always want to rely on just the one center light that comes down into the room. If you've got a small space, make sure to use some floor lamps or some table lamps to light up some different areas of the room and create some extra ambiance. Third tip is the art that you put in the room. So if you have a small room, you actually want to go with like one giant piece of artwork. If you have a lot of small pieces, it's going to kind of clutter up the room a little bit. And that kind of talks about clutter. That's another thing to talk about. You want to declutter as much as possible, have very clean lines, clean surface areas. And if you have things to put away, have storage containers for them. Make sure your stuff is actually put away. So another tip that I have for you is if you're buying pieces of furniture for the room, try to find furniture that actually has open legs, where it doesn't actually come all the way down to the floor. So just having the legs on the furniture will allow that space to seem more open. And the last tip I have for you is use mirrors. I love using mirrors. It's like one of the best things that I can use to make a small space seem bigger, especially if you can put it on one of your darker walls that don't really get a lot of natural light. That mirror will really open up the space and make it seem larger. So I hope these tips help you out today. I'd love to help you with some more staging tips if you're thinking about getting your house ready for sale. Give us a call, 888-98-HOMES.